This is a review of this Bosch drill bit set. I removed the sticker from the front of it, but it comes with a number of sizes, all the way from 1/16 up to half an inch here. It's got duplicates of many of these smaller ones, so it's got two of the 1/16, two of the 5/64, two of the 1/8 inch bits, and two of the 1/4 inch bits. So kind of the ones you use the most, it's got duplicates of, which is great in case they get damaged or break. But this is just a fantastic set. The points are very accurate. They stay in place well. And just a great general purpose drill bit set from Bosch. This case is really well done. The clip works well. You can just snap it closed and it's already locked. You don't have to latch something. You just pull this open to pop it open, but you just snap it shut. So all in all, I think it's a great drill bit set from Bosch.